Alright guys, a little update. So we went to the track about, it would be 2 weeks ago now. 11 sevens, 11 sixes in the quarter. Pretty consistent. Trying to best at 11:44. That was a couple weeks ago, probably 4 or 5 weeks ago. So what we're doing right now is we're putting 373s in there. I thought it had 373s in there, so I was going to go to a 410, but actually it had 327s, which would explain why the 60 foot is pretty doggish at about like a 190 60 foot. So I just got, we put some Summit gears in there, just got everything back in there, the pinion, set my backlash, all that stuff. So we're going back together now. I might throw a couple clips. I was going to do a video of putting the whole thing together, but decided not to. Decided just to kind of get it done. Might put a couple clips of the running previously last time at the track, but we're going to get this all put back together. We're going to do a break-in on it, so we have to drive like 30 minutes, 20 minutes. And then hopefully we'll get to the track again and see what she runs with the new gears. Hopefully we can break into the 10s, just because I think we'll be able to get our 60 foot down to like a 1.7, hopefully. I think the best 60 foot's been like a 1.85. So hopefully we'll get there and hopefully break into the 10s. If we don't, we have a 3000 stall converter. I think I'm gonna upgrade the converter. Right now it's a JAGS extreme heavy duty 28 to 3200 stall. It's just not doing it, I don't think, but we'll see after we get the new gears in, you know, how it does off the line. So we just took the car for a drive. There is some gear whine on deceleration and light acceleration. Our backlash is set at 10 thou, and the pattern looked pretty good. I'll put some pictures of the pattern, but I think we're just going to live with it. I can't really tell any difference in acceleration on the street. The gears do feel a little shorter, but so we're going to be hitting the track and seeing what the gears do, and we'll see you in the next video, and hopefully we can get it in the 10s. That's the plan. So thanks for watching, and catch you next time.